I personally have no problem giving Africans the glory. You can identify as you wish. No one's forcing you to take on an African identity. But me acknowledging my African ancestry does not take away the fact that I am Jamaican by nationality. And for many years, for decades, we've been giving other people the glory. We've been giving Europeans the glory. We've been giving Chinese the glory. We've been giving Indians the glory. Everyone in Jamaica gets the glory except the African Jamaicans. And we've been taught for so many years to hate everything that is African and from our African ancestry or religion, the way Africans dress, the way they speak, everything. We have been taught to hate that part of us so much that is no wonder that a lot of people don't want to identify. And to talk about Africans dragging Jamaicans is absurd because nobody on the internet, and I say that with my full chest, nobody on the internet drags people like Jamaicans. But anyway, I know a lot of people just follow hype on the internet and have never actually met people from these countries. So if you have a negative experience to share that you've actually personally had with people from these countries, share it and let's hear it. Otherwise, it's just xenophobia and self-hate.